Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stabilizing the area and exposing the bead so you can work cleanly. First, score the paint and caulk along both faces with a sharp utility knife to break the seal. This prevents tearing drywall paper. Once done, find the fasteners or nails about every 6 to 8 inches by feel and sight. Make shallow cuts behind the bead where screws or nails are visible to loosen the bond and reduce drywall damage when you next pry the metal off. You now focus on separating the metal from the joint compound and drywall. Slip a 1 to 2 inch putty knife under the bead and create a gap, then insert a wider knife or small pry bar and lever gently, moving downward in sections. If compound resists, use an oscillating multi-tool to slice through mud along the bead. This prevents ripping the underlying board. When nails appear, back them out at an angle with pliers, so the drywall paper stays intact as much as possible. You finish by preparing the surface for a smooth repair. Scrape away leftover mud and any bent flange until you have a flat, clean edge for new compound. For holes or gouges, apply a setting-type joint compound in thin fills, letting each layer cure. This gives strength and avoids shrinkage. Once sanded, prime the area so paint bonds well. If cracks reappear, reinforce the seam with fiberglass tape before the finish coat to prevent future splits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.